gonna do a tour of my house. Okay. This is like this is like our office. I know it's in here. And then this is my parents' room. What's my mom's closet? And this is the living room.
Yes.
So this is the office.
Number 2.
Yeah, well, actually it's like the library, but whatever. And then, and the kitchen. I have to show you something. These are my fish. I love them so much. They're my love of my life. And then you come in here. Bathroom. Laundry room. It's dark, obviously. And then dining room.
Mother.
And upstairs.
Don't make me walk up the stairs.
Like a place to do whatever. I don't ever do anything. And then this is interesting. Oh god. Okay. The story behind this crap is I was redoing my room, so yeah. Okay, there's no need for that. I was redoing my room, and so all my crap is kind of in here right now. Anyways. This is the hallway. Oh my god. No! No! Okay, this is the hallway. No, we don't look at the pictures. And then another set of stairs. I swear to God. Okay, and then you come in here. My bathroom. Okay, that's right. And then my messy room. I love it. No, I don't like that. Can you see me? It's not done yet, but. Oh, this is my awesome chair. And then the coolest, best part of the room is my Hot Nelson autograph. Anyways. And. Oh, wait. I'll show you my closet. My closet. And all my dance clothes. And then you come through here. And we don't go in there. My sister's room. Oh my god, she's probably like naked. That's it.